Hey everyone, welcome back to Howtechs. Today we have a Mac Mini and we're going to unbox it. So this is the version currently on sale in 2018, and of the models available, this is the middle level one. So it has a 2.6 gigahertz dual core Intel i5 processor with 3 megabytes of L3 cache, turbo boost up to 3.1 gigahertz. It comes with 8 gigabytes of RAM and also a 1 terabyte hard drive, and this is a 5400 RPM hard drive, so it's not a solid state. Because this is a desktop, it's actually okay. Intel Iris graphics, etc., etc. So let's just jump into looking at it a little closer. And also we have all the ports on the back, but we'll take a look at the real one. So let's get this guy open. And now you gotta be careful that you don't drop it out. Okay, so here we go. It's like a giant Apple TV or a screenless iPad. So it's got the same little tab to pull it out. And let's put it aside first and look in the box. Really not much here. There's basically just a plug, and since we have the Hong Kong version, it's the UK plug. And then we also have the little documentation book with the warranties and the safety information. And there are some Apple stickers in here. And that's basically it. There's no other cables, no nothing. And then let's take a look at the actual device itself. So it comes wrapped up in plastic, just like you would find on an Apple TV, or similar to what you find on an iPad. Sort of wraps around. But basically there's not much here on all three sides and the top, except for the logo. And there is a power indicator light and a small microphone. And on the bottom is nothing at all, just this plastic piece, which sort of serves as a base. And on the back is the rest of it, and that's literally everything we have here. So I think you guys can see we have a headphone jack. This should be mic in. This is an SD card slot. We have 4 USB 3.0 ports, and then we also have, this is actually just for cooling, it's not a port. We have 2 Thunderbolt ports and an HDMI port. Gigabit Ethernet port, and then that's where the power supply goes in, and then there's an on and off button. So if you don't have a Mac keyboard, you can use this to turn it on and off or to do a hard stop. So that's basically it. I won't even take off the wrapper because it's nothing really hidden under there that you can't see pretty perfectly. So there you have it. Very nice, actually not very heavy, doesn't take up much space on the desk. So it makes a nice alternative to using a MacBook Air or a MacBook Pro if you want to save some money and you have an external screen already. So there you have it. Any questions or comments, please leave them below. Do give us a like and subscribe, and consider checking out other videos for many popular portable and desktop electronics. Thanks, bye. Okay, so one more thing, let's just try out the pen just for fun. So as soon as you take it out, it seems to know.